Here at the Discovery House in Aberdeen, Young Enterprise Grampian are hosting their annual Masterclass, an event that educates young adults on how to think like an entrepreneur by allowing them to run their own business. So what qualities are required to be an entrepreneur?
Okay, pretty simple. I would say 3. Imagination to come up with the ideas, courage to do something about them, and passion so that you can affect everybody around you with your idea.
The Masterclass experience helps equip these school leavers with the tools and knowledge to set up their own business, through a range of guest speaker presentations, interactive seminars, and an innovation workshop. So what is the secret to coming up with a great business idea?
I don't honestly believe there is a secret. I think if I had to choose one thing, it would be noticing that it was there. So many people walk past opportunities all the time and they just don't see them. So see it in the first place and then everything else can take shape.
The Masterclass hosts around 30 to 35 fledgling companies from over 20 schools throughout Grampian, all keen to grow their business by learning from others. Assisted by some familiar faces from the Young Enterprise Grampian finals earlier in the year.
So guys, how do you think Young Enterprise has helped you both as a person and career-wise?
Well, I think personal-wise it's given us a great deal of confidence.
Definitely.
We've got various now more business knowledge, contacts as well. Through the Young Enterprise scheme I managed to secure work experience at Shell, just giving us both various opportunities in the business world.
It's also helped me decide what I want to do when I leave school. Before I was unsure, but then after a Young Enterprise I was set and I had my mind made.
What does it feel like to be an entrepreneur?
It's quite a fun feeling, just trying to come up with an idea, branding it and doing all that sort of stuff and make it succeed, and kind of just living or dying by your own idea and how you make it work.
So finally, what would you guys say to anyone who wants to get involved in Young Enterprise?
Definitely do it, I'd say.
Throw yourself into it and enjoy the whole process, definitely.